Hi, this is Training for All. Welcome to this basic Microsoft Word tutorial. And in this tutorial, I will be showing you the basic that you need to know in order to start using Microsoft Word. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. And today I'm going to show you how to check grammar, spelling, and more in Microsoft Word. Now, Microsoft Word runs, Microsoft Editor runs the Microsoft Word to analyze the document and to offer suggestions for spelling, grammar, and statistic issues, making sentences more concise, choosing simpler words, or writing with more formality. Now, if you want to check grammar and spelling, you have the review tool, which you can click. And the review tool will give you spelling and grammar. Now, if you click on spelling and grammar, this will show you what is not in dictionary. Now, you can choose to ignore once, to ignore all, or maybe you can select that one and click on change, and it's going to change that word for you. Or if you want to keep it as it is, you can just ignore it once or ignore all the WordPress words available on the document, in the document. Now, I'm going to ignore all. Now, it's going to show me there is a mistake in the text. I've got is, and the suggestions show me that it's supposed to be are. Now I'm going to click on change. So it's changed everything for me. So there's no any other mistake in the document, and I've got this notification saying spelling and grammar check is complete. Now I can just click OK, and I can save, print, or do anything I want with this document. Thank you for watching how to check grammar, spelling in Microsoft Word. Thank you very much, and see you next time.